Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to upload the files to the Dropbox. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's see first the demo. So currently this folder I'm just referring because the token which I'm creating, this is that one. So just try to send it out, and here you can see that the image is uploaded, right? So here you can see file uploaded successfully. So how we have done this, let's dive into the code level. Okay, so let's go to the top of it. So here we have the express body parser dropbox multi. Okay, initialize the express app, initialize the dropbox instance with your ss token. Make sure you have to add this middleware to pass the request bodies if you have. So currently I'm not using that one. So here we have an endpoint for the file upload. Here we have the file path. Make sure where the file path is, and Dropbox file path you have to mention the file name. Okay, path, want to save the file in the Dropbox, then read the file contents with the help of this. Then we have upload the file to the Dropbox with dpx.fileupload, path, contents, and the tag. So basically, mode you have to write the tag, because sometimes what will happen, like same image name will go there, and the error will be like the path conflict. So remove that one. You have to add the tag override. Then response, you will get the all the response like this, everything with the result name, path, everything. Okay, and if there is something go wrong, then it will go to the catch block with error uploading the file. Okay, and the last, start the server. Okay, very easy, very simple. And how to get the ss token, already I have already a video previously, I have already uploaded the video how to create that one. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.